Hey guys, what's up? So, first off, I want to thank you for watching my videos, and if you subscribe to my channel, I really want to thank you. I appreciate it. Trying to do some decent shit, like pretty much use this YouTube channel to get out and do stuff. It's just kind of motivating me to do more stuff in the ATV world. But this video about the cover, it's a FOURWERX cover, and start off, they recommend that you put it over your existing cover, and the existing cover is really thin, but that shit didn't work. It fought the shit out of me. This whole video is me just botching this fucking seat cover install. It's not my first seat cover ever. I've done all sorts of seat covers, but this one beat my ass. The plastic on the Raptor is really thick at the base of the seat, so it's hard to staple through. It's fighting the shit out of this cover. It's awesome made cover. It's not the cover's fault. It's my fault. It's freezing ass outside. I was trying to get this shit done in the cold. If I could have heated up the cover, it would have saved so much time and effort. But I kind of just skipped through the video. It was a long video, bunch of footage of me filming. I had to kind of start over. I fast forwarded through a lot of it just to save time. So I left the parts in there where I'm cussing and whining. Thing kicked my ass. And if you try to do it in the cold, it'll kick your ass too. So this isn't much of a tutorial. It's just showing you me fighting this seat cover, you know, at the price you pay to have cool shit. But yeah, if you want to check it out, the finished product's in the end. You can skip through. It's lots of cussing, lots of me bitching. But yeah, I got it done, but it kicked my ass. So I just want to let you know in advance. Thanks again for watching my videos, and let's check this out. Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be putting a seat cover on my Raptor seat here. There's really nothing wrong with this cover. I actually just got done wiping it off. FOURWERX says that you should put your new cover over your existing cover if you can, and I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to clean this off and we'll take a look at the new cover. Just give you a little walkthrough of what I'm doing. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to take out some of these staples since I'm going over this cover. Don't really think I need all those anymore since we'll be double stapling. So I'm going to get rid of a lot of these fucking things. Just a screwdriver. This is not my first seat cover. If you look at that Kex, I've done that. I've done all sorts of fucking seat covers actually over the years, but I can't leave shit stock. I hate the look of it. The sun was on this thing a while ago. It's still kind of warm, pliable. So this is my new FOURWERX cover. It's grippy. Very nice cover. It's got ribs back here. We got some ribs up there. Full padded back. Very nice cover. This is the first FOURWERX cover I've ever bought, and I'm already digging it. It's very nice. Definitely match my quad better than that bullshit black. And definitely a thicker material than factory, like no comparison. This shit's paper thin. You can probably see the thickness there. Way thicker, feels thicker. So I cleaned my cover here. I'm gonna tuck it over the front real quick. Just give it a little tuck there. And then I'll pull her over the back. Now they say to start in back. They're the pros, so who am I to not listen to them, huh?
Not quite sure. I'll try to get back more where I'm not seeing this lip here. I don't know. definitely don't want to see that. I'd rather just it be blue.
I think I'm gonna pull this back to about here. My stable gun ain't worth the fuck. I should get a different one, but what do you do? Those are both gonna be temporary. They didn't even sink worth the fuck. Look at that. Oh man. They just straight up bent. Might have to go buy me another stable gun. Yeah, the same sticking. Shit. That sucks. Well, looks like I'm taking a trip to go buy a different stapler gun. This one's worked for me before, but this fucking base is thick. Super thick. And it's not wanting to try again there. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a different style. Alright, so got me a new little staple gun. Shoots the fucking T50 staples. I think this will work out a lot better for me because that other one just wasn't doing it. As far as everything I've ever seen, they kind of want you to start from the rear. So I'm gonna try to center this puppy up. God damn it. Man, this is a bitch because this seat cover gives you no fucking room. Alright, so I ended up taking my stock cover all the way off. This shit wasn't working out. I'm gonna try again. Man, this is a pain in the ass, huh? Shit. I swear it's too fucking cold in here. That's why this shit's fighting me so fucking bad. Man, am I fighting this shit. Fuck. Motherfucker. Son of a bitch. I can't fucking win. Wow. What the fuck? What a pain in the fucking dick. Gotta make sure we're straight there. That doesn't look fucking even to me. Motherfucker. Fuck. This has got to be the worst fucking cover I've ever put on. Like, fuck, man. It's such a bitch. I think it's because it's fucking winter time, too. Fuck.
Fuck, man. Shit ain't fucking fair, dude. Fuck. Fuck, man.
Fuck me. So I kind of fucked up, and I could not get this thing stretched at all without heat. Ended up having to lay it in the sun, mess with it a bunch more. So I actually kind of gave up. I don't have footage of me finishing this, but I finally got it, and I gotta say, this has been the worst fucking seat cover I've ever put on. To get this white Raptor on this corner here was such a fucking bitch. Like, it took everything I had, wore my fingers out. I finally got it, and it looks good, but man, I fought the fuck out of this thing. So yeah, I guess if you're going to install this bitch, just good luck, because it's going to be a pain in the fucking ass. And that's what I noticed. But yeah, let's take a look at her. I'm trying to do a seat cover in the winter time. I don't know, man. It's a bitch. She came out nice. Very good looking seat. Well, let's throw it on the quad and see what it looks like. So yeah, it looks pretty awesome. Blends pretty well. Definitely be using these guys for a cover for my LTR. The blue matches really good, which I'm happy about. Just an all around good looking cover. Made my quad look way nicer, so I'm down. So yeah, that's that. FOURWERX seat covers, fucking badass. I got custom colors on this bitch and got it in reasonable time. They sent me like a proof of how it would look and asked me if I liked it through email. I said, yep, do it, and it got here in about 2 weeks, so yeah. Well, thanks, and more to come with this badass. See you.